In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Pyroglide skin in Once Human. So this is actually a bit tricky, however you can get it if you want to do it. Now, you want to press the escape key first on your keyboard, and then in here on the right, you can see this where it says on trend, time limited outfits. You want to click on it, and in here, you want to navigate to treasure chest. Now, as you can see, this cutscene will play where this Pyroglide skin is kind of presented, and as you can see, you can open this chest, which is called the Lightforge collection, to get a chance to kind of roll or get the Pyroglide skin. Now, however, what you have to note is that one of these chests costs 80 of this in-game currency, which is called Christian. Okay, so as you can see, you can open either one chest for 80 or 10 chests for 800 Christian. But the only way to get this is by buying it with real money. So if I press plus over here, as you can see, if you want to get 80, you would have to buy this pack over here, which costs about 5 euros. So if you'd like to buy 10 of them, you would have to buy this pack over here, which costs 15 euros, just to get a perspective. Now, if I go back, you'll be able to see that when I go to the treasure chest again, I can also click on the Pyroglide skin over here. And then, as you can see, you can also buy it for 650 of this currency, which is called the Lightforge Relic. And it says that you can obtain it by disassembling duplicate cosmetics. So in case you have any duplicate cosmetics, you can disassemble those, and you can also get the Pyroglide skin via that. So that's pretty much it. I believe these are the two only ways right now to get the Pyroglide skin inside Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.